guys, welcome back to our channel. So, today, as you've seen in the thumbnail, we are going to discuss on a very important topic. That is, how to score good marks in your final exams. So, if you are watching this video till the end without skipping anywhere, you will be the topper of your class. So, I'll give you that many tips and tricks to become a good student. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Before starting the video, please subscribe the channel for more such informative videos and like this video, share with your friends and family. So now, I'll explain you the tips and tricks step by step. Now let's see the step 1. Step 1 is to understand the model paper. In this step, you need to take the last year paper or the model paper for the exam and understand and observe it. You can find your model paper from your elder students, or it is easily available in Google. So you search in Google and you can find it out. So after you got the model paper, you need to thoroughly observe the question paper. Which type of questions they are asking, in which format they are asking. You need to follow these all steps. Let's move on to step 2. Now, in this step 2, you need to divide your model paper into different sections. Now, for example, I will explain you. Now, let's understand this method through my question paper. Now, here if you observe that, here they have divided the question paper into different sections. Now, in section A, there are 1 to 10 MCQs. Like this, you need to divide your question paper into different sections. Now, here they have given 1 to 10 MCQs. Like that. After dividing your model paper, you need to follow the third step. That is to follow and prepare these sections day by day or one by one. How can we prepare like that? Now, for example, you take a section which is MCQs. You need to keep a time period or a target that I need to complete this MCQ section in this many days or in this many hours, like that. You need to keep a timetable or time period to complete each section. Like this, if you one by one complete till your exam date, you can easily perform. So, now how we need to prepare, and I will give you some tips and tricks for preparing these sections. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to prepare MCQs, tips and tricks for learning MCQs. How you will solve the MCQs questions? Obviously, they will read the question and they'll take the correct option. If you don't know the answer and did not understand the question, what you will do? You will obviously guess. So, in this guessing also, how we need to guess accurately. How to get the correct answer through guessing also. Now, there is a method for this that is called elimination method. So, now we are going to learn this elimination method. Now, friends, in this elimination method, you need to eliminate the options which are not related to that question. For example, see, here a question is there. Indian Constitution was made in how much time period? So, first option is 1 years, 11 months, 18 days. Second option, 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Third option, 2 years, 10 months, 18 days. And the last option, 3 years, 11 months, 18 days. Now, the student who knows the answer, he will easily choose the correct option. But who don't know, he will guess. So, you need to eliminate those options which are not related to that question. Now, I'm thinking this is not related to that question, so I'm eliminating it. And next, this one also I'm not thinking that is relevant to that question. And after eliminating 3 from the 4 options, you will get the last option, and this will be your correct answer. So like this, you can easily choose the option which is correct. Now from this elimination method, we can cover our 80% of the problems in guessing. So use these tips and tricks while you are solving MCQs. Now let's move to the second method, the assertion and reason questions. How to solve these assertion and reason questions? Let's see. Now, in this assertion and reason questions, they will give an assertion and they will give a reason for that assertion, and they will give four options. There will be same for every assertion and reason question. Those are both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A, and both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A, and then A is true but R is false, and A is false but R is true. These are the options. In every question there will be same options, and now the student who knows the correct answer, he will easily choose, and the student does not understand the question and cannot find the answer. There is a trick for that. That is, the answer will be from any two of them, that is A and B. From any two of them, the answer can be the right answer. So this is the trick. If you choose any one of these two options, it can be correct, maybe not, depends on you. So this is a trick for assertion and reason questions. So friends, these are the tips and tricks for solving MCQs easily. So in next video, we will learn how to solve the essay questions, very short answer. We will try to solve such questions. So if you want to watch that video, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that all the notifications will come to you. And please like this video and share with your friends and family. We'll meet in next video. Bye.